I will talk about how can you select languages on your Freelancer app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you click on settings here, it's going to take you to next step here. So then you come to this list, then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you come here to language settings here. Then here can you select language you want to browse the website in, and here language you want to browse projects in the following languages here. So then when you add it here, or when you select it here and add here language, then you click here on save settings. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.